This is a bushingfix.com installation video. This one's talking about the Ford Cube, or block, as it's called. If you've got the old style yellow clip, take a flathead screwdriver and put it in the slot and twist to get the clip up. If you've got it up far enough, you can flip it over and pry it off the rest of the way. If you've got the new style tan clip, take a pocket screwdriver and pry the clip open slightly and press it upwards. Both of these clips can be stubborn sometimes if they've got dirt in them, so be patient. After you've got the clips off, push the cube out and install the new one in the correct direction. Be sure that the transmission lever and the shift lever inside the vehicle are both in park, and you'll want to install the clip to the first click. It should move freely inside the cable end. Connect the block to the transmission lever and engage the clip to the second click. Shift back and forth several times between park and 1 to verify the installation. And that's it, you're done.